time. Hi, my name is Katarina and I'm part of Broadway's 53 group. And today I will talk about project management. As a step 1, I would like to define the term project. Any project has different steps. Firstly, it is targeted, then financially measured, and finally, time limited in order to bring together and establish a special product, service, or solution. According to Merritt and Mendel 2011, project is determined by the quality of activities to be implemented with a certain time horizon and approved expenses. These three fundamental factors should be effectively combined to achieve the desired results. We can also see a project as a solution to a problem or a way to do something. Dahlher, 2012. Each project has its target. The aim of the project is understood as the achievement of a certain project, starting with the precise definition of the beginning and setting time boundaries by specifying the necessary inputs. For example, human resources, PMI 2016. The project is the way the ideas and objectives moving into reality. Each project has a start and end date. From this concept, I would like to define project management. Project management is the application of understanding experience, tools, and techniques to meet the needs and expectations of the recipient of the project. The core project management is triangle. The Iron Triangle, Locke 2007, is where you meet time, quality, and quantity. For a simple explanation of project management is defining what we are going to deliver as a group. That's the quality. Then when we are going to deliver is the time, and in the end the cost. So everything what we are going to do must be defined in the beginning. These are key drivers in a project management. The center is the result we want to achieve. Project implementation APM 2003-2012. We have established exactly what should be the outcome, quality, the deadlines for executing the project on achieving the result, time, and how much it will cost. Locke 2007. In a simple way, project management is everything you need to manage the project from start to finish. PMI 2016. According to the Project Management Institute, the body of knowledge there are 5 project management processes groups. There are these groups: initiate, process that occur when the project starts; plan, process that occur during the planning of the project; execute, process that occur when work and creating the unique product or service began; control, process to ensure the work being done as according plan; close, process to ensure that the project successfully brought to completion. The second thing in a project management is the planning. We have to make sure that we will not miss any task of our work, because later it will have a big influence on our work. So for the help of planning, we are mostly using a Gantt chart. Another important thing in a project management. According to the Gantt, is commonly used in a project management as one of the most popular and useful ways of showing tasks displayed against time. Each task is presented by bar. The position and the length of the bar reflects the start date, duration, and the end date of the task. Also, we can define a Gantt chart that is output what we really want. Using Gantt chart is brilliant for 3 reasons. Firstly, it shows everybody what they got to do and when. Each member of the group can see a part of the project. Secondly, you can see when you are going to be busiest. Thirdly, you can use Gantt chart to monitor what's going on. Gantt.com 2016. The first part of the video was mainly about the theory of the project management. For the second part of the video, I would like to mention the reflective part of our group work. For the reflective view, I mostly use the Rolf Shore reflective model, which helps be better describe our group work. The main points in a reflective model are what happened, then so what did this mean to you and why it is important, and now what are you going with it? As the goal of our group is successfully completed the course of MPD and fulfillment of all requests that must be successfully met. The exact date of the beginning of our cooperation was 30th of October 2015, where all members meet. At the first meeting, the tasks were divided among all group members. The division of the task, we have chosen sorting hat. Each member took out a piece of paper with a number of the task to be fulfilled. We didn't have any complaints. This way of choosing topics was suggested by our team leader. Below it was determined following meeting dates for the next weeks. Date of submission of work was intended to 29 of January 2016. In my opinion, choosing the topics by sorting hat was very useful because it was democratically chosen of each member of the group and nobody could complain which kind of topic choose. Each member of our group was satisfied with the topic. The management of the project can solve future problems. As we solve our problem with the choosing topics by the papers with a number, in a case we have avoided any misunderstanding in a team. Each member knew its role. As the sorting hat helped us to solve the problem with the task and avoid any problems in the beginning of our group work, we also decided in the first meeting to make for us plan how we will work, when we will meet, and we did our own Gantt chart. In a Gantt chart, recorded especially when our next meeting will be and what we'll bring for our meetings. We are meeting every week until the Christmas holidays, when the most of the members of the group travel back home. It was our critical moment, but we solved it in very good, because we stayed in touch through social media as Facebook group chat. Any idea of each member was discussed and agreed by other members. Thanks to this, I learned that a correct organization with the democratic methods avoid future discussion in a group, apart from the time saved. This is very useful in any business field. And from this experience, I learned more about different people and different opinions, but in the end, we become very close friends, and I know that working with these people is pleasure, and I hope we will work in the future together, because we didn't have any issues with the communication and accepting other people's opinion. Also, we didn't have any problem to meet anytime we needed. So this video was about the project management and the reflective view of our group working. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.